Ready to ditch those website design nightmares and give your Wix site a stunning makeover without any embarrassing downtime? First, hover over Site at the top left of your Wix editor and select Duplicate Site. This creates an exact copy that you can freely experiment with. Let Wix work its magic. This might take a minute. Depending on the size of your website, think of it as your design playground. Mess it up, try new things, without affecting your live site. Now, unleash your inner designer. Edit the duplicate site to your heart's content, change the layout, swap out images, update text, and play with color palettes. This is where you bring your vision to life. Use the preview button frequently to see how your redesigned site will look on different devices, like desktops and mobile phones. Ensure everything is responsive and user-friendly. Test, and test again. Click through every page, button, and link to ensure everything functions perfectly. Ask friends or colleagues for feedback to catch any potential issues. Once you're completely happy with your redesigned site, it's time to make it live. On your duplicated website, click Publish, and this duplicated version will then be the live version for your visitors. Congratulations! You've successfully redesigned your Wix website without any downtime, ensuring a smooth and professional experience for your visitors. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tips and tricks.